If I tell you that I haven't been vlogging because it was too hot, it was nearly 40 degrees every day, would you believe me? Look at what's happening today. And I just got the camera on, I swear to God. Okay, let's say my last two videos were not that successful. I mean, for twice I got the wrong provision on what DJI was going to come out with the market. First time I missed it with the DJ Osmo Action. Second time with that Robo they did. It's because I'm anxious and I really want DJI to release Spark 2, or at least what's important, a drone under 250 grams. And that's very important because Europe for the first time will have regulation that will be valid all over the EU, and all the countries will have the same regulation, and a really nice spot opens for people who want to start using drones and don't want to go through too much bureaucracy but still want to have fun and do it like we do it on YouTube, and not professionally, keep it relaxed and have something affordable in your pocket that you can throw up, do a couple of minutes of shooting, then put back in your bag, and it can contribute to make your videos great. So basically what it says, it divides drones into three categories, A, B and C I think. And what happened is that like the first category from 0 grams to 250 will not need any permit to operate. That means you just need to register your drone and yourself as a pilot, and you're free to fly, of course, whenever there's no geofencing and whenever you're not breaking some rule on restricted areas, and you're easy and done to go. You don't need to follow a course, you don't need to be certified online. That happens for the B group and the C group. You need to attend the course and pass an exam online. I mean, you can do that even if you have a 0 to 250 grams drone, but that's not mandatory. It's not gonna be an hassle. I mean, so what are the rumors lately is that DJI is coming out with the Spark 2. We saw some specs and we like those specs. It's 240 grams at takeoff. With a 4K camera with 3-axis stabilization, that's already what we need. I mean, being able to have a drone that light that can shoot 4K with a 3-axis stabilization, that's already plenty of stuff for the YouTube market, especially for the new EU regulation. I think that European market will have a blast with this drone. People will understand the importance to fly legal. This drone is gonna be the best seller of DJI, at least in Europe. I haven't read the new FAA regulation in the US, but I think they're pretty much the same. If DJI really wants to come out with a product, the next one, considering that they came out with action cameras, they're trying to get in different sectors of photography and video making, I think came to a moment where you really need to come out with a low budget drone that can satisfy the market needs, and the market needs a drone like that, either for your pocket and for the new regulation. So let's wait and see. I'm not saying that the next DJI event will be with the Spark. I mean, I'm too hurt about that. I got it wrong twice and sorry for that. but I was too excited and I thought the moment was coming. I mean, I don't know that market very well, it's been just a year, but you know, finger crossed, and let's hope Spark will be soon here. Guys, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed my consideration, and I'm back, hopefully regularly, even though this heat is killing me. Smash the like button if you like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.